In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your 7 days luxury Snow White face cream. This cream is formulated to specifically target any sort of pigmentation on your face, be it sunburn, dark spots, hyperpigmentation. Welcome to Bloom Skincare. On this channel, we do DIYs, we do product reviews, and we talk skincare, all with the aim of achieving a flawless skin. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. I create and upload amazing videos every week. So click on the subscribe button below and turn on your post notification bell to join the Bloom Skincare family. Let's get right into it, guys. So the first thing we'll be needing for this formulation is our base cream, and the base cream is one of the most important thing in this formulation. Your choice of base cream can make or mar the entire product. I suggest you watch my previous video to learn exactly how I made this base cream. This base cream is formulated with both Snow White powder and niacinamide, and these are two active whitening agents or whitening powders that targets hyperpigmentation and actually lighten up your skin. You can see how beautiful the base cream is. If you can't make your own base, you can buy, or you want to buy a store-bought base, just make sure you buy something that is very moisturizing for your face. Don't buy whitening creams as your base. Buy a moisturizing lotion, and also check out for the consistency of the base you are buying. If you buy something very light or very liquid like, by the time you add in oils and serums into it, your cream will get very runny. So these are the two things you should look out for when buying your base. Make sure the consistency is right, and make sure that it's a moisturizing lotion. So into our base cream, the next ingredient we'll be adding will be our clean cap tube. This tube, will be using it here as a preventive measure. It is a treatment tube for acne and acne prone skin. It's very good for all skin types, whether you have sensitive skin or not. You can use this tube, and you can use it directly on your face. So once you start using it, within a week or two, you should notice a difference if you have acne. So we'll be using it in this formulation just to make sure it clears up your face of any acne. Now, aside our tube, the next ingredient we'll be going in with is one of my favorite oils in the world, one of my favorite organic oils, and that is my turmeric oil. Now you see this oil here, this is a very powerful oil. I call it my liquid gold oil. So it works for glowing your skin. It also helps with hyperpigmentation, it helps with sunburn, it helps with evening out your skin tone. So your turmeric oil is one oil you don't want to mix in this formulation. We'll be going in with our turmeric oil. The next oil on my list is our avocado oil. Now, avocado oil is very good when it comes to hydrating dry skin. So if you have a problem with dry skin, if you're having wrinkles, if your skin is looking old, if your skin is not looking youthful, then you need to invest in avocado oil. These are organic oils that would actually brighten up your face, smoothen out your skin, leaving it to feeling smooth and supple. So we'll also be going in with our avocado oil. Guys, remember that whitening serums and oils and concentrates tend to dry out the skin. Hence why we have to use all these ingredients to make sure that your skin remain moisturized. So our next ingredient is our charm water. This is also called floral water. This is used to hydrate the skin, especially in this face cream. We are putting this in here because it will help draw moisture to the skin. It will help seal the moisture on your skin. Okay, We'll also be going in with lavender essential oil. Now I'm picking this essential oil not just because of the beautiful smell, but also because lavender has calming properties that can help calm your skin of any irritation. Okay, it's also very good when it comes to scars on your face or erasing marks, that pre-existing marks on your face, which is why we are using lavender in this recipe. Our next oil is an amazing whitening oil, and it's none other than our white now oil. This is a triple rapid action oil. It contains beta carotenes, it contains fruit acids, and it also contains plant extracts. These are all safe ingredients that can naturally lighten your face. Okay, so I also want to mention that this oil is very powerful, so don't use it at a higher percentage than what I'm using here. Make sure you follow the recipe to a T. So the next serum I'll be adding to our face cream is none other than our 500% skin freedom concentrate. Now this is a beautiful concentrate. It is made with collagen and glutathione, and it's very effective when it comes to whitening up your face. It also helps with skin issues like eczema, and helps with ringworm. It helps with rashes, any reaction that can occur due to skin bleaching. This can help prevent that. Okay, again, I also want to mention that you cannot use this concentrate directly on your face. It has to be added to a face cream. If you have sunburn, or you have rashes, or you have eczema, and then you go and buy this concentrate and you apply it directly on your face, it will only worsen your situation. Next oil we'll be adding into our formulation is a treatment oil, and it's none other than our Labijanis oil. This is one of my favorite body oils. If you're an OG on this channel, you know I use this oil in everything from soaps to oils to creams to lotions, and that's because this oil is very powerful. It's mild on the skin, but it will effectively glow your skin and also treat your skin. It's a glow oil and a treatment oil. Okay, so once we add in our Labijanis oil, we are almost done with our face cream. I know some of you will be asking me, Bloom Skincare, why didn't you add in your vitamin E oil? Why didn't you add in your glycerin? All that has been added into the base. Okay, so a link will be dropped in the description box, so you can watch exactly how I made the base for this lotion. Remember guys, the base is one of the most important thing here. If you get the base wrong, the entire thing will not turn out right. So now what I'm doing is to stir my product with my spatula. I'm going to keep stirring till all the oils and all the concentrates are incorporated properly into the base. And once that is done, we have our 7 days luxury snow white face cream. Now look at how beautiful this looks, guys. Like, you can see that because we use the right base that has the right consistency, you can see the consistency we ended up with. If we would have used something a bit more watery after adding in all these serums, what we'll have will be like a watery mess. But look at the viscosity of this lotion, guys. It looks absolutely beautiful. So just to make sure that my product looks very beautiful, I'll be going in with cosmetic grade coloring. Now before I add this in, I have to mention that cosmetic grade coloring is very potent. Okay, so you need as little as 1 or 2 drops to effectively change the color of your product. Now once you give it a thorough stir, make sure that the color goes round the entire product. You don't want any white patches. Everything has to be baby blue, baby pink in color. Guys, look at how beautiful this looks. You can use this on your face every night. Please ensure that before you use this face cream, you exfoliate your face and you use a toner. Okay, now you can use this only at night. Don't use this under the sun, and ensure to use with your sunscreen. If you use this lotion consistently, you begin to see results within a week or two. It will clear out your dark spots. It would brighten up your face, any form of pigmentation, hyperpigmentation on your face, any rashes, acne. This will take it all away. Okay, so just be patient and use consistently, and a little goes a long way. Very little is what you need to apply all over your face and your neck. So guys, if you've watched these videos this far, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to like and do not forget to share the video to friends and family. You never know who might be needing to update their skincare game. Also, kindly take out the time to subscribe to Bloom Skincare. Click on the subscribe button below to join the Bloom Skincare family, and turn on the post notification bell so as to be notified every time I upload a new video. I'm just going to be turning my lotion into this container. Guys, look at how beautiful this lotion looks. You can use this lotion or you can resell this lotion. I always give you guys the best recipes on this channel, so please and please subscribe, like. If you have any questions, if you have any observations, just scroll down to the comment section and leave them there. I would reply all your comments and answer all your questions. Okay, if you have any ideas, any requests for videos that you like me to make, you can also leave a comment in the comment section and I will get to all of them. Okay, so thank you all for the love, for the support. Really appreciate every single one of you. I'm blessed and see you in my next video.